Eric Clark's travel videos, and I'm here in Athens, Greece, and I'm here at Socrates Prison. Is that right? Socrates Prison? I think that's right. I always have to check. You know, you see certain places and it's always a problem, huh? Prison of Socrates. Okay, I was right. Can you believe that? I usually don't get them right. Anyway, so this is the Prison of Socrates. Let's take a look at it. Let's do it. Now that we know we got it right, so this is where Socrates was locked up at, and it's on top of a mountain that's really hard to get to and kind of a pain, but you can see, you know, these little holes are like wood, you know, where they'd put wood planks. So this is obviously a multi-story building here, but this is his prison. Can you imagine? I cannot even imagine. Is this guy gonna go in? Just taking pictures. Wow. Can you imagine being locked up in here? I cannot. Yikes. I wonder why they have little holes that go through. I guess they're doorways or something. I don't know. Interesting. Wow. Man, can you imagine being locked up in here for any amount of time? And it looks like there used to be stairs here. So yes, so there's like a floor here where the beams would go in, and then there's stairs that went up and around. So it was pretty good size, I think. So pretty amazing. There's some literature over here. Let me go get this information for you. And there's lots of tours here. So let me show you. Oops. Let me show you this. Man, it's so hard to see from the glare here. Man, I can't even see. Here we go. Hit pause if you want to read that. And hit pause if you want to read that. And so this shows you what the prison looks like, or at one point looked like. 1890, Prison of Socrates Archive, National Historic Museum, 1890. Wow. I wonder how long he was locked up for. Anyway, okay, everybody. Well, I'm going to get out of here, and but I just wanted to bring you by and show you Socrates Prison. Pretty crazy. Bye, everybody.